Hello YouTube, it's Chris. Hey, we are out driving around in the rain today with the new Hansshow Driver Screen, and I thought I would share some video with you. We have the navigation system on. I've taken the audio out because copyright claim. We had music playing in the car, but anyway, you can see the screens side by side here, both running navigation. I've got Waves running on the Hansshow screen, and then the native navigation running on the Tesla screen. And they both did take us to the same place and show the same turns.
Oh, it does go blue though, look. See if you can get that alert.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, and it's got an autopilot there.
So, my plan is to create this cluster of live-work lofts all along the perimeter here. And also, I'm planning this neighborhoody kind of dining.
Because Denise keeps talking about wanting to open up another branch.
Well, it'd be great.
Okay, I think I understand a little bit better on how this is working now, this screen. First things first is you have to make sure you give it Wi-Fi. So I'm sitting in my garage right now and I can see that the Wi-Fi is connected. You can see right there. You can also see right beside that that's your GPS is connected, and also Bluetooth is connected. So that's kind of an important bit to see. Then once I'm in the car, pairing the infotainment system to the Tesla screen. Now that one there, the Bluetooth phone, that's going to play anything. Once you pair your mobile device to the Bluetooth screen, it's kind of a pass-through. So as you have any kind of music source playing on your mobile phone, it passes through to this app on the Tesla screen. And then because that screen is Bluetooth paired with the car, the sound from your phone will come through. So if you have any apps on your mobile device that's paired, it's going to come through there, whether they're audio or video. The file manager is showing us right now just the built-in HD drive and all the files that are on there. And so someone asked me earlier, they said, how do you change the color of the car? And you should be able to see right there. That's my car. So that file is they call it silver, but it's gray. And there's all the different animations in that folder. So by putting that folder, which I got from Hansshow, into this root drive, HD drive, it's going to change the color of the car. Now, if you had a USB stick in, it would appear as a second drive right here, and you can pull things off the USB drive and then copy and save them to the hard drive. Okay. A better route planner I've got working now. I don't know a lot about a better route planner, but it is coming up, and I'm trying. Waze is working. That's the one that I put as my default. And what else? We know the maps works as well. Again, as long as you have Wi-Fi. So you're either using Wi-Fi from your phone as a hotspot, because the Tesla Model 3 doesn't allow you to use the native data plan on the car as a hotspot for other devices. Yeah, and then what else? This one here, this voice application, this is the one that comes on when you long press your wheel to the left. So you're using this wheel to, let me see if I can get them both in, to go through, you're going up or down to go through the different applications or screens, and then you select the application. Let me select Spotify by pressing to the right, and Spotify will come up. The app should close when I go to the left Yeah, they do. At least some of them do. Some of them don't appear to. And you have to use the home button there in the top left-hand corner. And then if I long press on here, this is how you... No, if I long press this way to the right, I'll bring up that, that recognition. So watch this. So here's your main screen. Okay. And if I long press to the right... Yeah, but it doesn't translate to English. It's only Chinese. But that would be your voice assistant. Okay, and then you're also using this wheel to go up and down through that left screen, the left application folder there, which will show you all the different things. The other thing I've noticed with this is where it says P there for park, that changes when I first start up the car. It'll show the range, the estimated range, until I put my foot on the brake, and then it sort of recognizes what gear you're in and puts a P in there. Okay, and then you also have that Prindle down at the bottom. I think that's about it. That's all I've learned so far. The Navi now, when I launch it, goes right to Waze. That's just a screen clean. CarPlay, I have not got working, and I've actually got an update to allow for Android Auto, and I don't have that working either. Neither one of these is native CarPlay or Android Auto. It's done through a third-party app called Z-Link, and the Z-Link is actually where the problem is. So I'll be working with Hansshow to try to figure out how to make that work. But yeah, right now I haven't used that very much. Car setting, I think I showed you that yesterday. This is where you can see, verify what network you're on and if you're connected through Bluetooth. Okay. I think that's it. It's pretty straightforward. So mostly you're in that is your view mostly until you use another application. I just discovered this, so I wanted to show you. Here, display is at 28%. This display is at 28%. So as I adjust this brighter, so I didn't realize that before. They are synced, which is cool. That works well.